Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Faulata and today we're going to do a fish recipe. Kindly watch till the end and hit the subscribe button if you're not yet subscribed. A few things to consider while frying fish. 1. You have to make sure that the fish has dried off, that is after you've washed it. Secondly, you have to rub salt all over the fish. And third, you have to ensure that your oil is hot enough. I also added a little amount of salt into the oil. This is to prevent the fish from sticking to the pan. Next, I dropped a fin into the oil to test whether it was hot enough. When it was ready, I dipped the fish into the oil and allowed it to cook. Avoid timing it all the time. One of the mistakes that I used to do in the past was turning the fish all the time to check whether it had cooked. This ended up sticking to the pan or breaking into small pieces, which was so bad. After 10 minutes, I turned my fish because the top had already turned its color to golden brown, so I knew the bottom had cooked well. Well guys, at this point my fish is ready. As you can see, it has turned into a nice golden brown color. And voila! This is the end result. Until next time, bye bye!